Looking for a reliable spotlight that's both powerful and easy to carry? The Energizer Rechargeable Spotlight delivers bright, focused light up to 1017 feet, all packed into a compact, lightweight design. Whether you're working outdoors, tackling DIY projects, or need dependable lighting in bad weather, this spotlight promises to get the job done without weighing you down. I've tried several spotlights over the years, but this one really stands out. At first glance, it's smaller than I expected, which made me doubt its battery life and brightness. But once I turned it on, I was impressed by the intense, concentrated beam. It lights up distant areas clearly, and with a quick press of the trigger, it switches to a dimmer mode perfect for close-up work. Plus, the battery lasted through a full outdoor night project without fading, which gave me real confidence in its performance. What sets this spotlight apart is its thoughtful design. The folding stand lets you set it down hands-free, so you can focus on your task without holding the light. It's built tough too, with IPX4 water resistance and impact protection from drops up to 3 feet. The large push button is easy to operate even with work gloves on, making it ideal for rugged job sites or unpredictable weather conditions. If you're tired of bulky, unreliable work lights, this spotlight is worth a look. It's compact enough to carry everywhere, yet powerful enough to brighten large outdoor spaces. The included USB cable makes recharging simple, so you're always ready to go. If that's you, someone who needs dependable, portable lighting that won't quit, this Energizer Spotlight could be the upgrade you've been waiting for. Ready to light up your work or outdoor projects with ease? Try the Energizer Rechargeable Spotlight when you're ready to experience hands-free convenience, long-lasting battery life, and a beam that reaches far beyond ordinary lights. It's a smart investment for anyone who values durability and bright, reliable illumination.